what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making a pickled onion. They are great as topping to your salads or sandwiches or even wraps, or it can go unlimited. And it's a very vinegary and sweet, which is the perfect balance. And it is super easy and quick to make it, and it can stay good in your fridge for about 2 weeks. So let's jump into the recipe. And before we get started, the exact ingredients is in the description box below with measurements, so don't forget to check that out. Alright guys, you guys saw it was super simple and quick to make it. All you need to do is let it rest in the countertop for 2 hours and then keep it in the fridge for 2 weeks. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Until then, bye guys!